Car washes use excessive amounts of water, producing thousands upon thousands of gallons of wastewater each day. OxyShark's state-of-the-art aerobic and biological cleaning process streamlines wastewater treatment in a cost-effective manner, saving a site valuable resources and providing a substantial return on investment. As clean water washes a vehicle, it retains dirt and cleaning chemicals from the wash process and must be treated to remove surfactants, oil, grease, chemicals, and other pollutants. This contaminated water from the car wash flows from the wash trough to a holding tank, where it will be pumped into the OxyShark system. Because of its versatile design and modular capabilities, OxyShark can be customized to fit the needs of a site or facility while still maintaining a small footprint. Upon entering the OxyShark system, the influent water passes through thousands of square feet of media, which consist of material that allows for accelerated growth of the beneficial bacteria crucial to the system's treatment efficiency and effectiveness. The millions of microscopic beneficial bacteria housed in the media consume waste and other contaminants within the water, cleaning the wastewater up to 10 times faster than traditional wastewater treatment systems. At the end of the treatment process, up to 98% of pollutants have been removed, and the treated water can be used as a near-potable reuse water source or discharged to most permitted streams.